All right. Here's what I kind of have to do. 4.3 Classes Lab Nutritional Information Classes / Constructors. Complete the food item class. Food item class name equals string, but I don't know if that's the part. That part is correct. It says the constructor should initialize the name a string to water, and all other instance attributes to 0.0 by default. If the constructor is called with the food name, grams of fat, grams of carbohydrates, and grams of protein, the constructor should assign each instance attribute with the appropriate parameter value. This is the part that I don't necessarily understand. Is this right here. I'd prefer if I could get this done right now, because I don't really want to have to focus this, on this over the weekend. But this area right here is the part that I don't understand all that much. But as well, the constructor, I thought I had that right initially, but I don't know if I do. So from what I've learned so far, oh yeah, I should also I don't think he actually provided the initial slides that he had. No, he doesn't. No. Okay. But, where is it? A programmer can then use installation to define a new time class variable and access that variable's attributes and installation operations performed by calling the class using parentheses like a function call as in my time equals time. An installation operation creates an instance, which is an individual object of the given class. An installation operation automatically calls the init method defined in the class definition. A method is a function defined within a class. The init method, commonly known as a constructor. So the init is the constructor. That's what I kind of initially thought. But I had it like this. I think this needs to be a string and these need to be integers. I was thinking that or floats, but come on. But then this has a float right here and an input, so I was thinking integer, float, and input. But I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know what to do for this part right here. So I was kind of like, oh shoot, I don't know what to do. And I don't think I need to change anything right there. It's something that's has to like be around my current, not really answer, but pandas data frame cannot. I turned it in once to see what I did wrong, but I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, sorry. Wait a sec. back. My chest and my arms are so sore right now. Same with my shoulders. Ugh, they're just so freaking sore. At least I got a good pump in. I mean, I wasn't able to do any of the tricep exercises though. Well, no, actually, I did do. I guess some of them could work my tries, but I don't know. Okay, let's go and get this done. I want to at least attempt to do this. I'm just really freaking tired right now. I'm gonna stop working on this at like 10:30ish, I think. Because if I can't get this done in like 10 minutes, I just think it's really unnecessary to continue working on this. Because I'm just staring at a brick wall. Pretty much, practically, I would just focus on this tomorrow. I have 2 done. I have 4 left. It's due on Monday. I'm not too stressed out about it. I mean, I'm just not. Tomorrow, I need to work on my comments for that project and just write everything completely in depth and kind of explain everything that I'm doing. And then continuing practicing Python. I might do that right now, actually. So I think I'm gonna do that. I think I might do that. I need to shave tonight as well. I need to do that. I bought this really cool, I bought this really cool, art book from Hakurino no Go. It's super duper good. I already love it so much. I love it just as much as I love my slam dunk illustrations. Oh, I love all the manga that I've collected so far. I love how decked out my shelf is getting now. I have like 20 something volumes of One Piece, 5 volumes of Berserk, 6 deluxe edition or whatever you want to call them, like the Takobon versions of the Monster. Like 3 of the perfect editions of 20th Century Boys. Really good story. Highly recommend all the manga that I have. Any manga that I have physically collected, I believe is probably some of the best manga you can get on the market. One Piece, Monster, 20th Century Boys, Vagabond, and Berserk are all terrific stories. I want to collect a box of Claymore and get that just so I have all the volumes for that and read it. That's also a terrific story as well. But yeah. Let's go ahead and try to at least work on this. But first, I'm gonna do this. I won't listen to anything like that. Let's play some peaceful music in the background. I am like uber tired. Just play that in the background while I'm working on my coding. Oh my god, man. If like anybody asks me like why am I like this, I'm just fucking dude. I'm exhausted. I have so many good One Piece characters now. All right. Um. Alright guys, it's time to do this. I'm gonna attempt it. Genuinely actually attempt it, but yeah. Alright, so it says, by adding constructed initialize a food item. I did that. I'm pretty sure I did do this. Constructor should initialize the name a string to water. The name a string to water. I did that. I am pretty sure I did that. I have water right there, and the constructor, which is init. Define init, basically that. And in all other instance attributes to 0.0, I did that by default. If the constructor is called with a food name, grams of fat, grams of carbs, and grams of protein, the constructor should assign each instance attribute with appropriate parameter value. What happens if I just yeet all this shit out of there? What would happen then? If I compare this to this one, I'm pretty sure you need that regardless. You need that regardless. So, I mean, let's take a quick peek at this one. Or actually, this one. Let's just take a quick peek and let's compare what I have for this one. Okay, okay? Jesus Christ, I'm so out of it right now. Like, I don't understand. And all the instance attributes. It could be because I'm just really tired, but I can focus on this. I'm like legit trying to think. Just can't. I can't do it, man. I can't.
It's a better game for sure.
He wasn't even shooting at me.
He's CT. Yeah, he's shooting.
This one feels harder than the previous one. A program accepts as input food item, amount of fat, carbs, protein, and a number of servings. Accepts as input a food item name, amount of fat, for a food item. I don't know if I need to do another get or setter. Like I don't know, a getter or a setter. I don't know if I have to do any more. I legit don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. I can't focus. I did one today. I'm fine with that. I'm not really fine with it. I would love if I could get 2 done today, but I can't. I just can't. I'm gonna hide my screen for a second, see what his office hours are, just in case I need to go and talk to him on Friday. $10 to $150. It's actually freaking fantastic. Alright, I am gonna be able to talk to him for quite a while on Friday. Alright, I'm gonna focus on just practicing some basic coding now. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff. Not this one. Do I have everything due on? That's due in the second. I know that. That's due on 9th. This is due on the 2nd as well. I did do the inheritance participation. Already have this done. And yeah, it's already done. So I'm just gonna focus on doing some while loops practice. There's no answers for this though. I want to see the answers. Remember, I need to include this part in here, right? How does this work again? Do I copy and paste it, or do I leave it in there? What do I do, Ethan? Ethan, come on, come on. Think. What do you do in a situation with a while loop and a function? What do I do? What do I do? Dad. I'm so tired. I only got like 4 hours of sleep. Uh, I'm pretty sure I do this. The fuck did you expect? What did you expect? Expected expression. What do you mean? You big meanie? Uh I need to check something. Open. can't. Okay. That's what I did. That's what I did. Okay. This makes more sense now. I don't know how I forgot to do that. Come on now. What are you doing, Ethan? Don't be doing that. It's supposed to be int input. Now we're Gucci. Now we're good. Yoink. And then after doing that, we're gonna yeet this. Put this right here. Yoink. No, I didn't mean to do that. Yeet this right here. Put this right here. Basically, I'm gonna be doing this. Yoink. After that, wow. Base C is greater than actually that doesn't make sense to have this while loop. I was trying to think of an excuse to use a while loop, but in this scenario, honestly, this could work now. Imbalanced syntax. But do I need to do like else? Else if no, because I have more than two. Should be fine, right? On line 10. Okay. I did it. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm doing something right now. Okay. I did this, but I want to continue updating it, but I don't know if I want to do that tonight or not. I want to just flesh this out more and put, like, I don't know, make a class, make a base class, and kind of do it like that. And if Cole is based, how based is he? And if you choose this specific base, how base Cole is, I'll start spamming out a WoW loop of like 99999. You know, it'll be like a rating of Cole being a Giga Chad with like a rating of like 9,999,000,000, stuff like that. Like maybe code something like that, or I don't know. That's what I'm thinking about doing though. But I'm probably gonna get off now though. Goodbye.